Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a quick little video on a wreath I just recently made. So I finished this today and I started working on it yesterday. So it is all lamb's ear, as you can see. And the one here, the sparkly lamb's ear with the red berries, this one I got it on Hobby Lobby. It's on the Christmas selection. And as you can see, all I did is first I glued the Christmas lamps here and all around on the middle of the wreath, and then just on the sides I put the all year round lamps here, the regular lamps here that I normally use for all my year-round wreaths. And then I just added a piece of ribbon. This one, you can also get it from Hobby Lobby on the ribbon section. It's not a Christmas, so you can get it on the ribbon section. And it's very easy to do. Let me know if you would like to see a tutorial, but it's really simple. It's just like I said. First, you glue all the winter, this frosted lamp's ear all around. And then on the sides you just do the regular lamb's ear. So I used about I think it was 7 picks of the winter lamb's ear, and I just cut it in pieces and then glue it on the middle. And then on the regular lamb's ear I used about 1.5 or a little less than a half of the other one garland of this other lamp's ear. And I think it's perfect for Christmas, or Christmas / winter, even for Valentine's. Well, Valentine's is still during the winter. I think it's perfect. And even if you have like double doors and having 2 of these, it will look really nice. You can also use the wreath indoors. Let's say like if you have a pantry, or even on your entry door on the inside of your home, you can put this wreath or on top of your mantle. So for the size of the wreath, the grapevine I used is an 18-inch. So I'm guessing, I didn't measure it, but it should be around maybe 22 inches from top to bottom, around 22 inches. And it's perfect for an average size door. And here it is. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you would like to see a tutorial, or if you're fine just the way I explain it. I am working on, like I said, I want to do if you watch my previous video, I do want to make a candy cane, the door hanger, and looks like this. You can get it from Dollar Tree. And I'm thinking of using this deco mesh. It's a leftover deco mesh I used last year. So I don't know if this is gonna be enough, because normally I use the longer roll. It's a little longer, and this is like a half of the size, and it's already used. So hopefully it's enough. If not, then I might need to just go to Hobby Lobby and get some more. I think this one I used it last year for I believe I did a wreath or a garland, Grinch theme, and I used these colors. But I'm going to use this for this candy cane and see how it looks. And I might do a tutorial with a different deco mesh, because I don't have enough. So I'm going to do another one, and that's going to be the tutorial that I'll be posting here on YouTube for you guys to see. And I hope you guys really like it, and stay tuned. I will try to be posting a little more. I know I took a break this month, and I will also be taking another break next month, because I will be leaving and I won't be on YouTube, or I won't be available to be making more tutorials for you guys. So, but this is what I'm doing so far, just giving you guys a quick update, and thank you so much for watching, and you all have a good day. Bye bye.